personalities
But,
mentioned.
but,
Let's do away with motions and divisions of the House
dahil
because
takot
we are
kayo,
losing focus.
takot na
Balikan
kayo.
natin, ano bang iniimbestiga natin? Na mapunta ang pera ng taong bayan sa tamang proyekto. Na mapuntahan ang investigasyon sa dapat na mga baguhin, that we have a new secretary, that we will be helping him maybe put
2026,
everything in place,
2025,
all the safety measures, at yung mga
pinaka-worst na
admin
year
orders, executive
Pilipinas.
orders na nandiyan dyan, tanggalin na natin while we are all here.
Amat
So
pinakadamot
again,
kurap.
Mr. Chair, may I
2025,
repeat
kurap.
my appeal. The focus of our investigation is to nip the bud, putulin ang ugat para hindi na ulit tumubo.
Saba ka rin.
And with that, Mr. Chair, let's move
Shut up
forward
ka rin.
to the interpellators that have signified their intention to ask questions. And I believe the Honorable Erice, as I earlier talked to him, is amenable to inviting a colleague